So I will be showing you how to draw one of these Laurel Burch style cats. What you have in front of you is a rectangle as a tracer and a piece of practice paper to practice a cat first. You also have a step-by-step drawing instruction sheet, and this is what I will be following as I show you. Turn your paper tall, not sideways, but tall, vertical. And take this vertical rectangle, put it up in the corner, like that, and very lightly draw. We're going to erase these lines later, but right now it shows us how big the head of the cat should be. See these lines here? Look at the W. The W is very big inside that box. I'm going to do the same thing here. My W is very big inside the box. Now I move on to step number 2 and I draw the ears. There's also an indication of the mouth. Step number 3 begins the legs. Notice the leg starts at the head and goes down almost to the very bottom of the paper, like this, and curves back up. The second leg is a little bit shorter. Step number 4 is asking us to draw the cat's back. It's kind of like a backwards letter C. It starts up here near the ear, curves around, and stops right there at that leg. Step number 5 is to draw the little paw lines. Now it says you decide on the curve of the tail and the face. My instruction here is done because now you can look at this to decide whether you want to draw a spiral tail, an S kind of curving tail, or a curving tail that kind of looks like the letter C. So now draw your tail. When you're done drawing the tail, turn this over and you will see the steps on finishing the rest of the face. The face does not have to look exactly like this one, it's just an example. You can also look at all of the cat faces here on this paper to see what you like best. So notice the shape of the nose, the eyes, the whiskers. Once you're done drawing your cat, its tail, and its head on your practice paper, you'll be ready to move on to your good project paper. This is watercolor paper. It's thick and expensive. You only get one piece. So if you mess up, you'll have to use the back. You do not get a new one. You have to follow the same steps. You are lightly drawing this box and then following these steps like we just practiced. At the end, you'll erase these lines so that they are not there anymore and you are left with your cat drawing. Done.